go south, to the southwest of Portugal. Like my father says, let's escape and set off to discover. I meet my friends and we play. We play a lot. There are no schedules and Mom lets me do everything I want. We go for picnics with the best bread in the world, Dona Saudade. Here I'm free. I never get bored. I feed the donkeys, walk through the gardens, and I secretly pick some fruit from Sr. João. We do boat trips and even get to know the fishermen. But what I really love about this is those little doll houses where everything feels and seems like a dream. One year we spent holidays in a house with blue doors, as blue as the sea, and the other time in a house with yellow doors, a kind of yellow as the wheat fields. My father says they're called Casas Brancas, but the truth is that they have many colors, as many as the rainbow.
When we say that we are going to the southwest of Portugal, Chloe gets so excited that she doesn't stop talking about it and can barely sleep. No wonder. This is our magical place, because whenever we come back, magic happens in the smile of the people and in the memories that we take with us. I remember well when I was her age and my parents took me to those unexplored beaches. It was here that I met James, my husband, Chloe's dad. Every year we pick a different house. James and I even say it's about time to choose our new adoptive family for next vacation. And the truth is that we almost don't stop for a minute. Casas Brancas are not only houses. Casas Brancas are restaurants, activities, friends, and places to visit. The southwest of Portugal. Same magic, always different, all year round.